What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. I got the homie Oscar right here. Peep his FRS real quick. Now let me show you guys something that we'll be doing today. Hey Oscar, you know what we're doing today? I'm officially going to be joining the Big Wang gang. So Oscar has been running this Big Wang this whole time.
Finally, dude.
And I think it's about time we put one on the S2K. What you think?
Deserving. That's what I would say.
You like the new hardtop, bro?
Dude, the hardtop looks fucking sick, dude. Like, it complements the car so good.
In case you guys haven't watched the vlog, the S2K got a real Mugen hardtop. Look at how good that looks.
Fucking mint.
And today, we're giving it a very expensive Big Wang. But before I can do that, let me go ahead and finish my breakfast real quick. We got some scrambled eggs with some turkey bacon. Time to kill this thing. All right, y'all, finished my food. Let me go ahead and grab the Voltex wing. All right, guys, so what we got right here is a Voltex Type 2 carbon fiber wing in, I think, 1600 millimeters. This thing looks insane. So today we're gonna be slapping this on the S2K. Quick little test fit so we can see what it looks like. How does it look, Oscar?
It's fucking crazy, dude.
Looks fire?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, I'm so pumped for this. Like a dumbass, guess what I did? I lost all the hardware. So today we gotta go and buy hardware to mount this thing. I swear, I'm so bad when it comes to saving hardware. I always toss them left and right.
Bro, you did not lose it.
Bro, I lost the hardware. We got the mount off. Let's head over to Ace Hardware. All right, boys, we're here at Ace Hardware. We found the hardware for the Voltex swing. In case you guys are wondering what it is, they're M5 bolts with an M5 nut, and we decided to get a locking nut so that the wing doesn't come off very easily. So yeah, that's pretty much all we need. Now we just need to check out and head on home. Man, I still can't get over the fact that I'm actually driving the S2K now. It's literally been sitting as a junk car in my driveway for like 6 months, and now it's right in front of us. So we're heading home right now, but then I realized Oscar hasn't felt the VTEC of an S2000 yet. We're about to show him the power of VTEC. You ready, Oscar?
Not really, bruh. Shit.
Okay, let's get it.
Okay.
It's so fun, bro. It's so fun.
Bro, what the fuck?
It's faster than you expect for an NA car, right?
Dude, I did not expect that at all.
Bro, like this is still like a 4-banger, still a 4-cylinder.
I did not expect that.
Yeah, bro, puts you back in your seat.
Bro, I did not expect that at all. That shit threw me off.
So what'd you think?
That shit was fire, bro. Underrated VTEC, bro.
Underrated VTEC, huh?
Underrated as fuck.
Alright, now that Oscar got the experience of VTEC, let's head on home and slap on this Big Wang already. We're back at home. Okay, Oscar, what's the first step to installing a Big Wang?
Masking tape.
Okay, masking tape. Let's get that. We got masking tape.
W. Sharpie.
Sharpie. Let me go grab that. Got the Sharpie. Okay, what's next?
Wing.
Wing. Let's go grab the wing. Oh, don't drop it, Derek. If this is lightweight, I can't imagine what a heavy ass wing feels like. I'm gonna go ahead and put back on the stands that we took off to bring to the hardware store with us, and then we can get right into drilling the trunk. Okay, base plate is on. Now we're gonna test the fitment, right?
Yes, sir.
We drew the dots where we want to drill, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a tiny little drill bit and drill out a pilot hole. pilot holes are all drawn up now. Now we're gonna take our big drill bit and go ahead and drill through this trunk. Alright, the nerve-wracking part is done. We officially got the holes all drilled out. Now we're gonna go ahead and slap on the mounting plate.
To make our life easier.
Moment of truth, y'all. We got the base plate on. If we measured everything right, the wing should bolt right on. If we didn't measure it right, well, it's easy to say, we're fucked. So, crossing my fingers right now, let's slap on this wing. So from the looks of it, it seems like we measured everything right, so now we just gotta tighten everything up, make sure it's super snug so this wing doesn't go flying on the freeway, and then we'll be golden. So the wing is officially on. Let's go ahead and close the trunk so we can get a look at how the wing looks. Oscar said your wing is way too fucking dirty, so he has to wipe
disrespect.
It is dirty, it's just sitting in my basement, look at that. Okay, Oscar, work it.
Yes,
Oscar
sir.
the detailer.
Damn, okay, I see the gloss and shit.
Look at that carbon weave though.
This is it. This is it, Chief.
Guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of my Voltec swing. You guys like it on the S2K, or is it a little bit much? Me, I think it's freaking perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just the right size, if you know what I'm saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you guys already know what time it is. I have to show you guys how the Voltec wing looks. So cue the cinematics, baby. Oh my God, I'm so fucking pissed right now. I just left my driveway, and like always, my driveway is fucking ass. And look, my lip just fucking, oh my God, bro. Look at my carbon lip. Look at that shit. Bro, I just finished this car. We just put on a wing and this has to happen. Bro, and look at my bumper. Look at my fucking bumper, bro.
How did it happen?
Bro, I turned, and usually I can turn and go full lock, right? I went full lock, but instead I hit the curb. Because of the angle you left, so I thought I could go out like that. Oh my God, are you fucking serious right now? That legit just ruined my mood. The car was literally done. Never even got to see it or take photos of it before this shit happened. Fuck this shit, bro. Oh my God, I just finished this thing too. We just put the lip back onto the bumper. Good news is it still is holding up. Bad news is the lip and the bumper is pretty much fucked, but I do have the same exact bumper coming in, just not a carbon lip. It's gonna be an FRP lip. I knew shit like this was gonna happen, so I wanted to have a backup. But the only bad thing about that is since this is a pearl white paint job and I got this bumper to sit perfect, now I'm gonna have to do the same thing on the new bumper, which is going to be hell. But you know what? I'm gonna try to stay positive. We're still gonna cruise to Alki and shoot this car because I'm not gonna sit here and complain and fucking hate my life for the rest of the day when we can just move on. So you know what? Oscar?
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Let's get some pictures, bro.
This time, let's not break anything more on the car, please. Look at what I have to deal with every day. This is my driveway. Oscar's fucking stuck. Oh, never mind, he got it. So that is how I broke the front bumper. Look at these three-wheeling, look at that. All right, boys, we made it to the beach in one fucking piece. My car and Oscar's car. And so now we're just gonna take a moment, enjoy the cars, and I'm gonna film a cinematic for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video because I just shattered my front bumper in this video, so make sure to go down below, hit the like button. It helps me out so much, and let me know what you guys think about the S2K build. How do you guys think it's looking right now, or what I should add? And if I like it, who knows, maybe I'll slap it on the car. So go down in the comments down below and let me know. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys my new S2000 with the Mugen hardtop and the Voltex swing and my busted front bumper. And just like that, we are all done with the cinematic. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really cold right now, so I'm sorry if it's shaking. My hands are frozen right now, but it's all good. Make sure to go down and hit the like button to show some support for your boy. That wraps up today's video. It was a great video. We put on a wing, we broke some bumpers, we broke my lip. We did a little bit of everything today. So make sure to subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.